Hey guys, what's going on? 13 Mark Moves. Welcome to Real Talk About Trading, episode 2, guys. We got to cover some really important stuff. I could be talking to you about a whole lot of things right now, but the most important thing, I always try to think, okay, if I'm trading the market, what is the most important thing? What could I be talking to you about right now that is super, super important? What could I be talking to you about right now that can impact your trading tomorrow? What could impact your trading in the next few days? What could impact your trading substantially? Not to the magnitude of a few $100, guys, to the magnitude of $1 million. Can you go from nothing to $1 million in the next 60 days? I think you can if you pay close attention to what I'm going to say next. So here it is, guys. On Thursday, we had a few guys that made over $5 million in 24 hours. With 13 market moves alerts. We had guys that did absolutely nothing. What is the difference? Well, Leo, I hope you're going to post some fucking charts explaining me this, because I was subscribed to the alerts and you told me to take SPY calls and those didn't work out. Exactly right. This is exactly the reason why you should have a futures account set up, because that was the only way. I mean, I have 578 people text me over the weekend and say, Leo, what was that 100x trade? Damn it, it was easy. If you listen to my prior videos, I told you, set up a futures account. Set up futures account, not to trade futures, but to trade options on futures, which allows you to trade the market outside of the regular trading hours. For some reason, most of the traders think like, Leo, I'm gonna start at 9:30. I'm gonna be done by 10:15. Fuck you. You'll never make any real money like that. Never have I met a trader that trades between 9 and 10:15 and makes a shitload of money. Those are always the guys like, hey Leo, can I borrow some money? Leo, can you help me out? Can you no. Stop the bullshit. I'm laying out the success plan here for you. All you got to do is just pay close fucking attention. So you're probably wondering, okay, Leo, where are you going with this? The most important fucking thing is this. I had guys that made an incredible amount of money in the last 24 trading hours. And I had guys that did absolutely shit. They didn't do nothing. So what is the difference? Like, you've heard my bullish outlook. I posted multiple videos saying, hey, the market's going higher. We're about to break out higher. Crypto's going higher. The market's going higher. Look, the dollar is the only thing that's going to crash besides the VIX. The VIX and the dollar go lower. Everything else goes higher. And it does make a huge difference understanding, okay, what is the overall plan is in relation to what are the specific actions that you're taking. That is the difference. It's your entries and your exits. It's always about the entries and your exits when it comes time to making big money in the stock market. So a guy that understands the plan is like, Leo, we're fucking bullish. I get it. Let me go buy. No, I mean, I got some guys fucking texting me saying, oh, on the pump, they want to buy calls on the pump. We don't buy calls on the pump. Just buy the dip. Buy the dip is back in fashion. That's what we're doing, buying the dip. Now, the reason why we want to buy the dip is because it's not the sort of dip buying we have seen, like a year ago when everybody was hyped, when the market just could do no wrong. If it drops a few points, you buy the shit. Sure, it's going to go up. But the options, guys, we're talking about options trading weekly options, the opportunities you have in this market, because nobody fucking knows where the shit is going. Like, you got bulls, you got bears, you got options are mispriced. And you don't always get this sort of market opportunity. If you haven't subscribed to 13marketmoves.com, you haven't scheduled a 20-minute coaching call, you've got to do it right fucking now. Get off your ass. Okay? 13marketmoves.com. Sign up right now. So you wouldn't miss out on some crazy, wild opportunities like this. Guys, do you understand? I have guys that started last week with $1,500 that are, it should have made 50. And I had some that actually stayed with the trade. But I got a lot more guys that jumped the fuck out of a 45x trade. And you may be thinking, Leo, I would have never jumped out of a 50x trade. You're fucking lying, okay? The moment, like some of you are just so desperate to see your account in the green, the moment it goes in the green, what do? It's green. Let me fucking take it. And what do you do with that? Well, you put it in the next trade and then, oh, it's red. It's fucking, yeah. Listen, when you see the move, you got to go for it. Guys, life is not, trading is not about, oh, let me make a little bit here, a little bit here, and a little bit here. I'm going to add it up. Oh, it's looking pretty fucking good. It doesn't work that way. Okay, it works that way for guys that are just fucking average. Now, the only reason you would actually subscribe to this channel is because you dare to be way beyond fucking average, because you dare to be the top 1 motherfucking % of traders in the world. That is the only reason why you would be subscribed to 13 Market Moves. So, if your goal is to be the top 1 bad motherfucker out there, okay? I got some news for you. We had some guys that have fucking gone from 100K to fucking 7 million. Can you say 100K to 7 mil in 24 fucking hours? Can you even say it? The problem is you can't even fucking say it. You gotta break your limitation. You gotta start thinking big, because the market that we're in right now, you make money when people are fucking clueless what's going on. Nobody fucking knows what the fuck is going on right now. Like me posting a bullish video, 13 bullish fucking signs, okay, in the middle of where everybody's halfway fucking depressed, where economies worldwide are crashing, World War III is projected. Guys, you gotta understand this. It's not all what they're talking about in the news. You gotta build your own mind to trade these markets. So congratulations to some of all guys, but maybe if you traded SPY, you didn't make shit. I'm with you. That is why I have posted multiple videos on this fucking channel telling you how important it is, especially if you're working with a small account, to set up what? Futures trading. Can you set up futures trading if your account is a cash account? No, you got to have a margin account. Guys, you cannot trade with a fucking cash account when the market is moving. You'll cost yourself $1 million opportunity if your account is not set up the right way. Like, guys will sign up with me, like, the first question I'm going to ask them is, can you trade futures? And what I'm asking this question is not about, what, can you trade futures? I don't give a shit if you can trade futures, because at times, if your account is small, to be able to price, let's say, like a oil trade, you gotta have a substantial account size. But I'm talking to an average person that's just trying to fucking make it big. Okay, you can trade options and futures, and you will never ever have to worry about day trade PDT rule. Now, I've posted videos about that. Now, if you still don't understand how this shit works, like meaning you can price 28 trades a day if need be, and not worry about PDT, like, guys, that's the reason why you should go watch the other 700 videos I've posted on this channel talking about various things, or you should just go to 13marketmoves.com and schedule a fucking call. Talk to a senior trader right now. The market is about to fucking move in a way that most of the people cannot see it move. Okay, so I don't want you to be the guy that's like, well, Leo, I can't place the trade. Leo, I'm in these SPY calls. They move up, down. But fuck, be ready. The market is open 23 fucking hours a day. The question is, where the fuck are you? Leo, I'm asleep, man. I've been depressed, man, this last couple of trades. Fuck you. Get off your ass. Wake up early. Go for a fucking workout, okay? Be ready fucking all the time. The market doesn't like... Guys, I work with a lot of traders that sign up to trade with, and like it shocks me. This guy's a doctor. He sends me a message, Leo, I'm gonna be unavailable Monday and Tuesday. Like, the market doesn't give a shit. Okay, whether you're unavailable Monday and Tuesday, the market is moving. The question is, are you gonna be able to take advantage of the move? So these doctors and, guys that run a few businesses are like, well, Leo, but cannot be in front of my fucking computer that day, the whole day. Who said you're going to need to? Can you the most important thing that you can do as a trader is take a trade where there is a certain move that's developing and actually stick to it. Any motherfucker can get into a trade and jump the fuck out 5 minutes later. You don't have to be a hero to do that. Now, to be a hero in the stock market, to make a few $1 million in 24 hours when the move is developing and you can clearly see it, what it takes fucking balls. It takes for you to get rid of conventional fucking mentality. It takes for you to probably sign up with a 13 market moves coach to trade one-on-one so they can fucking hold you through the moments. And there's going to be 128 of them throughout the day where you're going to want to jump out of a trade that's going to make you a few $1 million because you're a fucking pussy. Now, that is the fucking truth, because you're going to chicken out every time the market is going to do what? Every time it's going to pull back. I can't take this shit no more. I got to get out of this trade. Leo, please. Guys, I don't have the time to post and text all the fucking messages I'm getting from all these guys I'm working with. But I'm telling you, the number one thing is guys don't understand when a solid, good trade comes around. Like, I've got some guys like, oh, I'm up. Leo, I'm up 300%. I got out. I'm like, what the fuck did you do that for? You just cost yourself an opportunity to pay off your fucking house, you dumbass. Why would you fucking do that? Leo, I just couldn't take it. I've never made this much in my life. I've never fucking... Fuck, shut the fuck up. Stay with the fucking move. Stay with the move. Leo, I can't... Oh my God, I'm up from 10,000 to 30,000 and fucking what? You got out at 30,000 to do what? To cost yourself an opportunity to make 488,000? What the fuck is your problem? When you sign up to trade with me or any other coach here at 13 Market Moves, okay, you stay with the motherfucking trade 100 fucking %. I promise you, you're not looking at all the factors that we're looking at here at 13 Market Moves. Okay? So, if you're busy running business, if you're a doctor, you got to go pull somebody's tooth out. Fuck, I promise you, you're not as focused on the markets as we are. And that is why when we tell you to stick with a motherfucking trade, you should stick with it. But Leo, I'm happy with 300%. If I can make 300% next week and the week after, fucking doesn't work that way. Okay, today you may have an exponential opportunity to make 78,000%. Okay, and next week you may have nothing. You may not have shit. Absolutely fucking nothing. Okay, because market be going sideways, nothing's going on. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen next week. By the way, pay close attention to my next video because I'm going to explain exactly what the fuck is going to happen with the Fed. What are they going to do? The job report next Friday, guys. God, if you just saw what I'm seeing right now, you would jump on your computer, fucking on your phone. You would be at 13mmtv.com. Click, sign up with a coach. Can I still get in? Please get me in to trade with 13 Market Moves because I know that I can catch the next 70x trade. And 70x, guys, is being highly fucking conservative because the last trade that I may or may not have time to post was over 100x. And many people were asking me, well, Leo, but what stock was it? What stock? Leo, just tell me what stock. Guys, it wasn't even in a particular stock. It was about nailing the entry on S&P 500 futures at the perfect time, which was at 4:30 on Thursday, October the 27th. And being able to see the move and stay with it through Friday, October the 28th, all the way through the end. That was over 100x on certain strikes. Now, if you particularly care about trading some stocks, yeah, damn right. We've nailed some freaking crazy trades like RUM, Rumble. Guys, Rumble, 50x. Leo, you're fucking kidding me. This shit can't be true. This is a $6 stock. Why would you trade that? Yeah, the motherfucker goes from 6 to 12 within the time frame where they're actually giving you the alerts to buy calls. It's a 50%. It's like Tesla going from fucking 300 to 600 in 3 days. Would you want to miss that? I hope fucking not. So, anyways, guys, what I'm saying is the reason a guy takes profits, okay, when he's up 300% is because normally he doesn't even stay this long to collect profits. A guy just sees his account in the red. He's just so fucking happy to see his account in the green, damn it, for a change. That he says, fuck it, I'm going to take profits. Now, that was not the plan. So the whole purpose of these conversations to help you understand 3 things. Number 1, stick to the motherfucking plan. You trade with me, I tell you, we're still till motherfucking 4:14 in the afternoon. You blink, you'll never fucking trade with me again. Okay? It's not about the outcome of the trade that day. It's about where you're going to be 12 months from now. You want to you want to be a pussy, okay? That always worries, oh my God, Lou, I'm losing 500, I'm making 500, I'm losing 500, making 500. Fuck you. This shit is not even for you. Why would you even trade? Why would you even be in the fucking market? Now, you want to be the guy, Leo, I hit 1 million fucking 60 days. Fucking sign up. Be my guest. I don't want to work with a bunch of fucking guys that are fucking worried about their balls falling off if they lose $500. Okay? You want to be a rock star? Sign up. Sign up with 13 Market Moves. What I'm really telling you right now is you got to have some balls to believe in yourself. You can't fucking believe in yourself. Who the fuck else is going to do it for you? Now, any guy that believes he's got the balls to trade with 13 Market Moves, I will fucking trade with you. You got my 100% commitment, and you should sign up right fucking now. As there's only so many fucking guys I can trade with on any given day. There's only so many explanations I can give on any given day when the market is going on. Okay, listen. If you're ready to face your fears and beat the market, I've done it so many fucking times. I've got students that have done it so many fucking times. I am confident that you can fucking do it. But don't be the fucking guy that shows up is like, oh, Leo, my account was at 2,000, not 6,000. I know you told me to cash out at 14,000, but Leo, I can't. It was looking so good, I got out. You cannot be doing that sort of shit. You will miss out on some big moves in the market. And that is exactly the opposite of what I want you to do. I want you to have a breakthrough. I want you to fucking set some records. You can't even picture right now. But in order to do that, I need you to do one fucking thing. And that is believe in your ability to beat the market. That's all it takes. Believe in your ability to beat the market. You cannot show up fucking wounded half of the fucking time and say, oh, I think the market's going to kick my ass again. No, you fucking stand up, okay? And that's the only, you stand up mentally, you stand up physically, you stand up with everything you got. That is the only fucking chance you have to beat the fucking market. There's too many people in this game. Too many people that think they're smart. Too many people that think they're tough. Too many motherfuckers that think they know what's going on. And in reality, they don't have a fucking clue. So in order to beat these guys, you got to be sharper. You got to be better. The competition is fucking tough. The truth is, 13 market moves can give you some insights. That can help you prevail, that can help you beat the battle, but more importantly, that can help you get in tune with the market to the point where it's not a one instance occurrence, to the point where you can do it again and again and again. Not meaning you can do it Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No, I'm saying long-term wise, over the next 12 months, okay? You had $1 million with 13 market moves next 60 days. You will be able to repeat it a few times again. Because the market condition is not always going to be perfect. The market pricing on options is not always going to be perfect. What I am saying is you will be able to do it. The question is, do you believe you got what it fucking takes? And if you do, 13mmtv.com. Get the fucking courses. You know, for those of you like, but Leo, the fucking course is expensive. Fuck you. Okay, how much do you fucking lose in the market? Let's have a real talk about that real quick. Okay, you could have bought all the courses, studied this shit. But Leo, but I can't watch a 3-hour course. I gotta go order pizza and I gotta go watch a fucking movie. Fuck you. Okay, that's exactly why you're not making money in the stock market. So get off your ass, get the courses, but actually take the time to study them, because everything that I'm telling you about, those entries and exits, the difference of fucking 20 minutes, one guy making a few million, one guy not doing absolutely fucking nothing, okay? It's all it's all in the courses. So study. Dare to be fucking great. Dare to beat the market. Don't show up fucking wounded. Oh, but you know, the market has taken 300,000 from me in the last fucking 5 years. Fuck you. Get off your ass. Make some shit happen. You're a fucking man. You can do it. We got a program that can help you fucking do it. The question is, are you ready? Are you ready to take the challenge? Because the opportunity is here. The options are mispriced. Do you have what it takes to believe in yourself, to take your account to the fucking levels that you have never, ever pictured in your life ever before? If the answer is yes, fucking let's trade. I'm ready to take some guys to 100 mil, and I've seen some guys making around 5-7 mil, this kind of stuff. Now, these are peanuts. I'm ready to take some students to $100 million mark. The question is, are you going to be one of them? Let's roll.